Welcome to this episode of Fast Track, driven by current, powered by GE. I'm Nicole, and today I'm here with Hakeem Thornton, Senior Product Manager at GE Lighting, and he's going to share with us some information about the GE T8 Type B LED tube family. Hakeem, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Nicole. It's a pleasure. It's always my pleasure.
A pleasure,
always
Hakeem.
my pleasure to talk with you.
I'll pay you afterwards.
Yeah,
so tell us, what are T8 LED Type B tubes?
Okay, so Type B tubes is something that's in the market today where it requires direct wire to the sockets. With that said, I want everybody to remember there are three different types of LED tubes. There's a Type A, that's a direct replacement. There's a Type B, which is a ballast bypass. And then there's a Type C, which requires a remote driver.
So do you have different shapes or lengths?
So today our Type B tube, we're offering in a 4-foot as well as a 2-foot. But we're really working hard to expand our offering to include a 3-foot as well as U shapes.
I'm curious, what's different about the UL Type B lamps compared to Type A and C?
Hey, that's a great question. And one thing that we have to think about is with the UL Type B, you are wiring direct main voltage to the sockets. And with that going directly to the sockets, you will need to change out the socket to be an unshunted socket. With that being said, contractors, ESCOs, and other installers, they find that using a Type B lamp, we can remove one of the failure points, which in most cases is a ballast or a driver. So this will remove that. So in their eyes, we're providing a simpler solution and it's an easier fix for them.
With the requirement of non-shunted sockets, will the installer need to replace them?
Hey, that's a great question. Absolutely, they will need to replace them. When I think about the industry as a whole, about 80% of the fixtures out there have what we call shunted sockets. So the likelihood of an installer having to replace it is there. But what we've done is we've provided it, or we have to offer, a 2-lamp, a 3-lamp, and a 4-lamp, what we would call a lamp holder kit. And this Type B kit comes with the lamp holders as well as an inline fuse. This inline fuse is an important safety feature that GE is really pushing in the market today.
Why do you need the fuse?
So what the fuse does is protects the fixture from a misapplication. For example, when you have a lamp failure and they go back in and they take out the lamp, the LED tube, if it's a novice or inexperienced person, they may not know that it's an LED tube and they mistakenly put in a fluorescent tube. That fluorescent tube is not designed to operate on direct line main voltage, and it could cause what we would call in the industry a non-passive failure. This fuse eliminates that risk. So it's a huge safety feature for us, for our end users, as well as the future of the market.
That really is a great safety feature, and it's not something that you can find industry-wide, so really proud of you guys.
Thank you, we appreciate that.
Now, I'm curious, what color temperatures are available?
So today we offer a 3,500 Kelvin, a 4,000 Kelvin, and a 5,000 Kelvin. With that being said, we're going to continue to expand our line to include 3-foot tubes as well as U lamps. And as you will know, and as you've seen in the past, we continue to grow our product offering. One thing I want everyone to keep in mind though, our Type B tubes are glassed LED tubes.
What about all of the different wattages available? You said you have a huge product line.
Yes. So today the wattage range is 15 watt for a 4-foot, and then you have 8 watt for a 2-foot. My anticipation is as we go to 3-foot and U lamp, that wattage range will fall in the 11, 12 wattage range. So the performance will be there, and it absolutely is going to be one of the best things that we'll be introducing in the market in the near future.
Well, Hakeem, you were one of the best things to be here with us today, so thank you for joining us.
Oh.
And as always, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Fast Track, driven by current, powered by GE. See you soon.